So this is the forge, and right now I'm using it as a temporary blade maintenance setup. So I bought these wheels from Baltic Abrasive. I think this one is, I don't know, 7 degrees I think. And then I made this hillbilly setup for it. It looked kind of, yeah, it doesn't look all that great, but it works, and it works very well. One thing I have to say before I forget it is these discs they're very heavy. You cannot put them on a normal chainsaw sharpener. I used to sharpen my blades with the chainsaw sharpener, but as you can see, it's not perfect. You don't touch the gullet or the ridge. They do get sharp, but I think it takes a lot of the life expectancy away. So when I make one pass with these, they are just perfect, reshaped to the original tooth. But because these are so worn out, I also have to put them on the setter. Yeah, but it's very nice. In my opinion, in the long run, it will be much better than the chainsaw sharpener, but time will tell. So let's sharpen some blades. So I forgot to mention, but This is an old blade, as I said. So, and I'm still in the process of testing out the new sharpener and setter system. So I don't got any expectations that this particular blade will do well in the future, but as you can see, it's a little hard, but it did sharpen the entire tooth, and I don't know how to focus, but yeah, you get the point. It did sharpen the entire tooth on this one, but because the blade is getting very thin, I don't expect it to do well. But we'll test it anyway. See how we did. And normally you should set it before you set it before you grind it or sharpen it or what you call it. But because I had to change the whole profile, I couldn't do it that way. So when I resharpen it next time, I'll be able to do it. But as for now, I'll set it afterwards. And I know there's a burr, and yeah, fuck it. So let's set it. So the blade is set. Again, I can make this focus. I don't know how. Trust me. The blade is set. So we just finished the first cut. Let's just yeah. So it made a pretty decent cut. It's not the sharpest blade I own at the moment, but I think I've resharpened that blade maybe 5 times with the chainsaw sharpener, so it is pretty used already. But a straight cut, and yeah, there's a little. These spruce knots are pretty hard, so there's always a little bit of dip there if you don't take care of it. But for the purpose and for this blade, I think it's a pretty good result. So yeah, let's finish it up. So, got this one done. Dog's having fun. Yeah. I'm cutting a lot of these 6x6 at the moment because I need to put a roof up. So I'm going to use them as posts around the building. And but yeah, turn out that's good. Yeah, one more down. I don't know, 15 more to go or something.